So I tried a manual juicer. Here goes. So I thought it would be an amazing idea to replace my electric juicer with a manual juicer, not thinking that it would take forever to get juice out of my veggies. It definitely was daunting. At the same time, if the power goes out, I'll still have that manual juicer. But to save time when you juice all the time, I think I definitely need to stick with that electric juicer. So I enjoyed the manual juicer, but it just took longer than what I wanna and willing to give.
Peace, brother. How you doing? Hey, yo, no. As we ready, I know we're not going back. You feel the clutch. What early 8 o'clock? And for them to meet you. Why have content? I'm not quite sure. I have websites and specialists, man. He's a system behind up me. Like, Michael has this whole platform, man. As a matter of fact, check it out. Yeah, check it out.